she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Whoever said looks can only get you so far in life must have not been that appealing to the eyes, because attractive people do get very far in life. For instance, for instance, high school, I did the bare minimum in my science class, 11th grade. First 2 market periods I tried, 3rd and 4th I did not care, literally wrote whatever on a piece of paper, tests, did whatever, and I'd be gone. By the end of like the 3rd semester, actually maybe the end of the school year, my science teacher looked at me and was like, "You're lucky you're so fucking pretty, because I should have failed your ass." And I'm like, thank you, because I should have failed. It's not that I was a stupid, I just did not care. Also, like my math class, I want to say 10th grade year, maybe, I had a math teacher that was just like, "Oh my god, you're so pretty." She was like, "I wonder if you have the perfect face percentile." And I'm like, okay. Once again, did barely anything, or like if I would mess up on something, she'd be like, "Oh, this was the answer," and help me or whatever. And I'm like, oh my goodness, like, people don't care if an attractive person have like the brains and the beauty, because then it's just like, oh my gosh, not only are you beautiful, you have the brains. Like, people focus so much on looks in life. It is like so shallow. And like, I'm not trying to sound like mean or anything, but it kind of makes it harder for the ones that are, who people don't feel are as attractive, and they don't feel as attractive themselves. Like, it doesn't matter how hard they work, it's gonna be like, oh well, they ain't cute anyway, so let's give it to the more attractive person. Like, a lot of people out here that are attractive, they don't have nothing to offer. They don't, like, no talents, no nothing. Like, they are just where they are because of their looks. Nobody cares if they don't have a brain or not, because sometimes I look at some people, I'm like, they are so dumb. They only where they are today because they're beautiful, and if they wasn't beautiful, what do they have to offer? Like, what? I mean, it's really messed up, but it's the facts of life. The more appealing people find you, the further you can go. And that's why I said whoever came up with that saying, looks could only get you so far, must have been not that appealing, because looks take the most attractive people very far. And like I said, if you have the brains, that's just a bonus added to it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. What? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah! Until next time.